Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your card number on Capital One app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the very first thing that you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first of all access your particular app, right? So once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, and if you go to the home section and tap on your card that you have of your Capital One, your credit card or debit card, your Capital One's card. Once you have tapped on, you simply will be able to access your particular card, which shows the card ID numbers right over there on top of the card, but and the balance of it and etc and the reward points, but it does not show you the card number. So the thing is, just like the other banking apps and the websites, Capital One also does not allow you to see the numbers as for the security measure as well. So but in case you have forgotten your number and you have lost it, the best way would be for you to simply contact their support and block your card. That is the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in our next video.